Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You open the video and go straight to Captions. Click the CC icon or three-dot menu, then Settings. You need Subtitles/CC selected. Once done, choose Options to reveal styling controls. This is where YouTube exposes font, size, color, and background. Make sure you have permission if editing a channel owner's captions. You will change visuals here. The interface updates live so you can preview. Keep the video playing to see the effect as you adjust each parameter. You now pick the font and size, choose one that reads well at small sizes, like 2024px on desktop. Once you set the font family, tweak boldness and edge style to prevent blending with video backgrounds. Then adjust color and background opacity. High contrast increases readability, so pick white on a semi-opaque dark background or vice versa. Make subtle changes and watch the preview. If captions come from a transcript file, style changes apply to your viewing experience, but don't alter the source file. You finalize by closing settings after confirming the preview looks right. Changes typically persist per account or browser. If nothing updates, refresh, clear cache, or update the browser, and then retry. Sometimes extensions block style overrides, so disable them or test in incognito. For creators wanting permanent styling, you must edit burned-in captions in your video editor or modify the caption file before upload. One troubleshooting tip. If fonts still fail, test another browser to isolate a local setting versus YouTube behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.